Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video today we are going to study about the commutative property of subtraction for integers. In the previous video we have studied about commutative property of addition for integers, and we observed that all integers are verifying, they are satisfying commutative property under addition. Let's check out whether they are going to verify or not under subtraction. So commutative property, of subtraction for integers. First we are going to write the general form. Yes, the general form is a minus b equals to b minus a. Let's first draw the table. Serial number, a and b values, then LHS. What is LHS? A minus b. RHS, b minus a. Conclusion. This will be very much easy to you people to understand the concept very clearly, whether they are equal or not. Okay ma, let's begin with, first we are taking 1. Now the value of a 2, a is minus 7. Okay, as they are integers it can be positive, it can be negative, so I have taken 2 and minus 7. Now a minus b, what is the value of a? A is 2, this minus I am keeping as it is. In place of b we have to substitute minus 7, so minus 7. 2 minus into minus plus 7. Now 2 plus 7 is how much? 9. Very good, it is correct. Now we will check out for b minus a. What is the value of b? Yes, exactly, the b is minus 7, then minus sign as it is. What is the value of a? A is 2. Now both are same, both are having same sign, so what we have to do? We have to do the addition. So minus minus we need to do the addition, and we have to write minus 1 sign. So 7 and 2 is 9. Are they equal? Here it is plus 9, here it is minus 9. So what you have to say here? LHS does not equals to RHS. Maybe for now one number it is not getting satisfied. We will see for one more number. Now here we will take both numbers same. Here one we have taken, one is positive, one is negative. Here I will take both are positive only, 5 and 3. Okay, so what to do first? First we have to do a minus b. What is a value? Yes, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is nothing but 2. Now here b minus a. What is b? B is 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. Both the numbers are different. Both are same but opposite sign. LHS does not equals to RHS. Fine. So here this is the table we have observed here. Only 2 numbers I have taken. You can try for many other numbers in your home. Okay. So let's here pose individually. I will see for, first we will take a and b value. Let a is equals to 7, b is equals to minus 6, any number you can take. Now LHS, first we are solving for LHS part. So what is LHS? LHS is nothing but a minus b. What is a value? 7 minus of minus 6. So 7 minus into minus plus 6. 7 plus 6 is nothing but 13. Okay, this is your LHS. Now we'll see for RHS. What is RHS side? Yes, exactly, it is B minus A. So B value already you are having. What is B value? B is minus 6, minus sign. Then we have to substitute 7. Both are minus, so we have to add them. 6 plus 7 is nothing but 13. Here it is minus 13. So RHS how much you got? RHS you got it as minus 13. Are they equal? No. Again we found that LHS does not equals to RHS. So based on this we can say that these integers are not commutative. Okay, integers are not commutative. Under which operation we have performed? Yes, exactly, they are not commutative under subtraction. But in the previous video we have checked for addition and we observed that they are commutative but under addition. So now what is the difference between? Yes, exactly, the difference is integers are commutative under addition, they are not commutative under subtraction. Is that clear, ma? Hopefully the concept is clear to you people. Integers are commutative under addition and they are not commutative under subtraction. We have studied this. Inshallah in the next video we are going to check out for commutative property for multiplication and division. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.